Hello We Love Food family, welcome back to my channel. I am going to make today paratha. Paratha is a recipe that most of us, we find it difficult. Most of Asian families, they cook it at home, but I think for some of us, we might find it difficult, even for me. Just a few ingredients there, nothing special. So why not surprise your loved ones, make a nice breakfast with this delicious paratha. I have all the ingredients here. We should crack on and start doing this. To the flour, we need to add the salt. Mix well. Then we need to add the egg yolk. And then the water. You will have the amount of water that you need in the description or on the screen. I'm going to start kneading it by hand right now. Now I will let this dough rise for 30 minutes. Put some flour on the top. And then I will just cut this into the portions I will use. Sometimes you might find it difficult to roll the paratha, but there's no shame in always trying and trying. Keep on trying, never give up. They look like this. I hope you found it easy. I hope you will do it yourself. I finished making the parathas. They look just as I was expecting it. I hope you found this video easy to understand, and I hope you will do it yourself at home. Thanks for watching my video, and I will see you in the next recipe.